Today, people, we are head out to Blue Lagoon. You get me? We're going to see what Blue Lagoon look like. I remember when Blue Lagoon, you could have just go down there, take a boat, go over by Monkey Island. We're going to see if that's still going and thing. You get me? So, we're head out and get over there. So, no forward, and we could go see what it like over there. Banging. Where's the tour guide?
Yeah man, Captain Fox,
Captain
international
Fox.
tour guide, yeah man. You have the mineral spring flush from the mountain. When it mixed warm and cold when you swim, it's good for pain in your joints, arthritis, diabetes and all these things. And when you go around the other side, it is 65 meters deep, 200 and odd feet, no crocodiles, no snake, no shark. You can run and jump. If you're not a strong swimmer, you can use a life jacket. Thank you.
Alright. So we're here, so I'll just come and make a show on the wall going. Alright. You can also get souvenir stuff over here as well.
A life jacket for rent for swimmers. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse me, this is where you can
Get souvenir stuff over here.
this is
So
where you can
people.
get souvenir stuff to buy and things. If you're interested.
Yeah.
Water shoes and everything. You could take a look around.
The calabash.
Calabash.
This one?
Yeah.
Calabash.
They
Oh.
mashed me up with an orange hill.
Yeah man, that's the chalice.
The coconut
This
bomb,
one,
the chalice.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
a clay.
Yeah, man, this is from clay.
Yeah, that one's clay.
Yeah, man, clay one, man.
That is it.
Dangerous.
And stuff in there.
Yeah man, dangerous. Yeah.
Jamaican yo-yo.
So yeah, so when, so when you come Blue Lagoon, there's not a fee to enter, them just ask you to leave a contribution.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so they just ask you to leave a contribution when you come. So this is what it look like now. So this is the Blue Lagoon, peeps. Look at it.
So we want to come start swim from run, that's only done mission at the river, because we lock at 5.
Alright. Them close at 5 as well, so if you're not come at Blue Lagoon, you come here from early.
9 o'clock in the morning.
9 o'clock when you open
Yes, and lock at 5.
and close at 5.
Yes.
Alright. So we walk around now one spot here, so we say we're going to start
Yeah.
from.
Look a river around there, so it's but we don't want to snap. We don't want to look around there.
The water blue and pretty. What you guys think?
Beautiful. How blue it is.
Yeah, it's blue. So this is a running spot where you can run and jump. So then have a jump there. You just
If
run
we go in the middle, we don't see nothing.
and jump out a deep there. So
Now, plug and see it, we go straight
have a
along.
next line over that side there too as
Right
well.
again, for shallow. You see something, but not in the middle.
There's 2 person out there, so swim. What you say you gonna do?
I'm gonna jump again.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, go. Yeah. Yes, the man. So right now, Anthony and the family gone way out of deep. Believe. The swimming go straight across. So yeah man, so anytime you come Blue Lagoon, it's different here. As I say, you don't have to pay an entry fee, you just have to leave a donation with them. So they can keep on carry the place same way. They don't do any more rafting here because the last time I did come here, they used to do rafting, but they don't do it anymore. But if you want to rent like a boat to go over like Monkey Island, or if you want to go up on a canoe, you have some private captain here and property that you can speak to them and pay them directly, and they will rent you one of those kayak boat, or they can take you across over to the island on a boat where you can go chill over to the island. You get me? So yeah man, so this is Blue Lagoon in Portland. The water blue. Can see it way over there, so look at it now man. Right now I'm going to jump off into the water. I'm not going to swim go far over where Anthony and the family gone. If you're not a good swimmer, you can rent life jacket Believe. So that is it. So now just go and stay tuned and watch the process. So them reach over there. Alright, make a jump off another water here now, peeps. And test it out, watch the process. Go on. The water salty, man. I think it'll be fresh water. Fresh water, banana fresh. Salty. But river water mixed with the sea. But this more salty, man. But the sea started around that side. So many things I just be here, fresh water there right here. So one thing where water is full of fish though. I'll go for one of them goggles and try it out. Anthony and the family are come back across. Them a good strong swimmer them still, because you don't know, so when you're growing in America as an American or as a British person, make them kids go learn to swim as baby, learn as toddler. In Jamaica that not happen, so we learn to swim in Jamaica, so when we learn to swim, then just throw you off in a river and you have to learn to swim by. So but the Americans them teach for them kids different how to swim. But look on them and come across. Yes, no man. Believe. Look like it's a storm I come here now. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, look like it's a storm I come. Yes, no man. The rain are forward. Look at that. Yoo-hoo! Watch it. Look like it's a storm. The sun was shining so bright a while ago. And now, look at it. The Anthony and the family, they must come in. Watch it, look at it. Jamaica. Yeah. Jamaica. I got jump off in it and now, please. The rain just come down sudden, so people, we don't know where rain come from. But the rain is here! Look where I go. Yeah. Yes, no man. We just have some wonderful shower a while ago. Jaja blessed us with some rain. You see it? only in a Portland you get so many rain. Nowhere else in a Jamaica you get so many rain. So it's a blessing to be on the Blue Lagoon and the rain a fall. But the water here, it have a different saltness to it. It look like a year so them get all that salt from to cook. Cause when you jump in it and taste the water salty. Bad. Right, so we think we're gonna leave right here so and go around the spring part. So on the forward, you get me? How you say we are going now?
We're not in the river spring, we fresh from the mountain.
Around the river spring. So if people come at Blue Lagoon, who them for ask? Sir?
Captain Fox.
Who name Captain Fox?
Me name Captain Fox.
Yeah man, so
You
tell
can
them
look-
now.
You can look on YouTube, fantastic Blue Lagoon tour with Captain Fox. It's the name and number, everything on it.
Alright, so if them want the best tour of Blue Lagoon, them say,
Link up Captain Fox.
you don't hear that people and me say it tonight.
Yeah.
Captain himself say it.
Yeah.
So if you don't want the best
International tour
experience,
guide,
yeah man, if you don't want the best experience, link up Captain Fox. Him also have life jacket and things for rent.
Everything certified.
Yeah man, him well certified.
yes.
Believe no
Jamaica
man.
and everything.
Yeah man, so wanna check him out when you come to the Blue Lagoon, alright? Oh, so I guess around here, so the spring there, them call it Fountain of Youth. Right? I'm gonna say me can get a little younger, cause you don't know, say, I look old, you get me? So, I'm gonna try to get a little younger in a Fountain of Youth right now. Look how I'm going. See it right here, so? Oh my gosh, man. Yeah. Bring a lot of fish there in it as well. It look like a heart, shaped like a heart. Look what I'm going. Wow, that water here is cold. Yeah, this is fresh water. Right here is the spring head. The water come out of the rock. Let me show you what I'm going. The water come out of there, so you get me? Look what I'm going right there. Some more water, but oh, it run out from out of here, so and run go back to deep water there. This is amazing. Yeah man, say if you're there in Portland and get the chance, we'll come visit the Blue Lagoon. Right? You're not gonna like it if you're not forward here. The road up here, so the main road. Alright, so now we'll leave the Blue Lagoon. Them also have restroom. Them have changing room as well. So when you come here you can do changing, you have restroom, you have it's comfortable here, so when you come here you're gonna like it as well man. So we're not just forward here and give the support. So right now we are leave the Blue Lagoon, we are gonna look some food eat. Think we're gonna get some jerk chicken. You get me? So we're not forward. Just remember say yeah, if you're not there in Portland, we're gonna check out the Blue Lagoon and support the place. You see me? Them open for the public, so you can forward and check them out. Alright, Blue Lagoon in a Portland, not Blue Hole. No, me say Blue Lagoon. You come and check it out. So reach back at Boston, you know. Reach back to the hotel, which is Great Hot Hotel. Yes, no man. So we stop and get some jerk chicken, some roast bread, some roast and fried breadfruit, some fried plantain, ripe one. See a Boston jerk right over there, so believe no man. So yeah man. So you don't know, say Boston jerk in a Portland, you have the best jerk chicken, best jerk pork, best everything in a jerk. So we don't just check out Boston when we come out here, but we're down there, so we're up our next jerk center. But soon to want your name right and thing. But yeah man, out here so them have it when you come to Portland. When you leave Blue Lagoon or wherever waterfalls or river you go to, and you're not a local, you're visiting Jamaica, you want the jerk chicken, the jerk pork, and you are in Portland, Yeah man, visit Boston Jerk, alright? Remember, Nigel said that, alright? Believe. Back at it, well tired. So people me there pass through. Don't give colors them a link. And I say me a walk come up to the cabin. See pink house there. Believe no man. That is it. Don't you say cabin there. Jaja. Yo. Look at it no man. Yeah, I always see this on my TV or on my phone. So now I'm there in a real life. Look how I go on. We soon go up I think go see. We are go down in a cabin. We're not gonna show no inside, just are showing no outside, you get me? So look on it now man. Yo, when this finish, I wanna book my stay right here so. This well nice. You have can tire. Big up yourself now man. Believe, yo, this look nice. And down here so cool. It's alright. Check out the pink house. I think them are working it down. Yeah, like them are do working in the pink house. One pink house. Nice, so what's that tree up? So what's up on the tree? The view. Yo, look on the view, peeps. Oh, don't I see? Them say country life matter. That is it. Say man, them down there go cook some food. Probably check in and make you see what I'm going to see. But I'm going to watch the process.